Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy and today we're doing an acrylic full set with the art, and we're doing the butter yellow French tips, the color of the season in South Africa. Some of you guys have been complaining that I don't show the products that I use, and I tried for this video, and I've already filed the nails and attached the tips. So now I'm going in with my dehydrator followed by a primer. You can skip the dehydrator or the primer part because they do more or less the same thing, but I choose to use them both. And then I'll follow with a sticky bond, which helps with the adhesion of the product to the nails. Now for my acrylic application, I'm not showing you the acrylic that I use because I custom mixed this color, so I don't have anything to show for it. And also the brush that I'm using, I got it from the nail art, and I'm using a Planet Nails monomer. The powders that I mix are from Plain Girl. So for my application, I will be using a one bead method for this set because it's way too short, and I'm using a beads that are more on the wet side, if you get me, but I make sure that I gently pat the bead until it covers the whole nail. Now the reason I started with the ring finger because I noticed that the bead that I picked up is a bit big for the pinky. Now when placing my bead, I make sure that I place it very close to the cuticle area, but I make sure that I do not touch the skin. I make sure that it doesn't touch the skin at all. And then now I pat it gently until it covers the whole nail, and then continue patting the bead until I am happy with the application. I went ahead and buffed and filed and buffed the nails off camera and then removed the dust and cleaned the nails, making sure they are ready for nail art. And now it is time for French tips. When drawing my French tips, I always start with the sides and then I just curve the smile line in the middle. But you know one thing about French tips, they hardly go smoothly. Because tell me why did I mess it up? Why did I mess this up? But yeah, no worries. You just wipe it off and then start again. bestie, we are done with today's set. This is how the nails turned out. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. And bestie, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. Bye.